Welcome back to EnlightenedTrading. My name is Conrad, and I give you another update on stocks today. So, starting things off. Well, we are on the S&P, and we had a short correction in the last few days, and basically in the last week, we now started a new week. I do not think that this will be the end of this bull rally. I mean, we have to see if this green, if this red 2 goes below this red 1 and beyond this resistance and support area, and we can then decide if this really has some depth to it. But until then, I don't think we will drop too far. Although we are, and I'll take a look at major stocks for a sec. Then yeah, we are here at Tesla. Crazy gains today. Very parabolic already. Almost into the 800s. I still think, or I think this can still move higher. I think 1000 would be, or could be, an area where we could look for short. I think you could already short up here. This is gone way too far in my opinion. Yes, this bull market can go well beyond any comprehension basically, and if you're in a bullish position, I mean, I would scale out, but I wouldn't take out all of my holdings. We had very nice nines on the daily. You can see two of them right here, and we now are at a 4. Also here a 9 sell on the TR sequential. So all in all, very effective on Tesla on the daily time frame. And yet we are basically at 20% gains for 2 day only, and we have to wait and see how far this week goes. But, and this is a very interesting point, we are now at a 9 on a weekly time frame. So this does bear some doubt, or at least some danger, or some danger into where this week will close, or how this candle will close. We of course still have 4 more days after today for this week to finish its candle. There of course still is a possibility that we go, I mean, if we say we go to 1000, that would be 30% gains, and that is very much possible in the next 3 days, with then maybe a strong retracement and forming a doji candle which will bring us back to maybe 500, or even drop to this support point. I think this is very possible, and would be a very nice trade if you look to go long short. I mean, if you were to go long Tesla long term. So this would be a very nice area to buy. I should actually consider to set a buy order and create and load money onto my stock trading account. But yeah, I don't think I'll do that. Maybe we'll see how it is weekly sequential forms. But this is a 9, and I do pay quite a lot of attention to this time frame, especially the weekly. Seems to be very trustworthy. On the monthly, we are now at a 6, so not too much to concern on the monthly, but still very possible that we drop down, find support on prior resistance, and bounce into a 9 the coming months and weeks. Yeah, so that would be Tesla. I think there, I mean, at least I wouldn't want to go long right now. I think if we drop, then there could be very nice areas to buy. Also, we have many gaps which should get closed, and didn't because this has gone so parabolic. Yeah, so looking at Apple, I mean, yeah, also what I wanted to show you is the RSI on Tesla. I mean, on a daily, it's already at 90, or again, almost at 90. I mean, what was the highest in history? Has anything been higher? No, it doesn't seem like it. So basically all-time highs. I mean, almost, but I do think all-time highs on the RSI on daily. But what I want to show you is the monthly time frame, which sits now at 92. And also, what's interesting, Amazon was already at 92 for quite a while. Also on a 9, basically topped the RSI on a 9, and again on a 9. So and again. So this is this is very interesting. How this played out, but all in all, very bullish pattern or trend in general. Also with very nice support down here with a very nice symmetric triangle to start off this amazing bull rally. But already in the past, you can see RSI being very much overextended, and the price still went higher as RSI dropped, which is or which sends a signal that Tesla could still go higher, even though we are very much overextended. But I think, yeah, maybe this will slow down, consolidate similar around here. We have to see. Nines do not ultimately have to lead to corrections. They can also be a signal for consolidation. Maybe this runs much higher than anyone would have expected. Oh, we are now basically making a daily new high. Almost, yeah, we are now 20% gain. So yeah, looking at Amazon, which is very interesting. We popped on a Friday on yeah, I mean, nothing too important on a 1 into a green, definitely green 2 at a green 2 trading above the green 1. We now broke our prior swing high, but we didn't close above the setup trend line, which is forming on every time frame. Because, you know, weekly, monthly, I mean weekly, 3-day, daily, also in this area, and on a monthly, no, we still have this bullish setup trend line down here, which we don't, I think, which Amazon doesn't intend to break anytime soon. Yeah, but still, this looks very bullish in general. Yeah, as I said, we wicked above the price swing high. So even if this retraces, I would look for a higher low and then finish this ascending triangle with a very nice follow through. You can see volume increasing pretty strongly, and on the monthly, yeah, this ascending triangle, I think, is very likely to break. I mean, if not this month, then maybe in the next 3 months. I think this is very likely to see very strong follow through. Amazon is, I mean, nothing much has changed. It's just as important as it was ever. Or, I mean, of course it gets stronger in importance. Yeah, also on the 3-day, we have very nice lines on the tops. Yeah, on the top to start off, or short-term corrections. I mean, on the weekly, not really, and I think the monthly wasn't too useful either. So yeah, you have to look how on which time frame, which stocks operate very nice on the sequential and respect it in general. But I mean, of course, not every stock will respect it in the same way, and maybe other indicators are more useful. Google, also this is a 3-day, so we are going into a 9-day top prior. Not really, yeah, not too important, I think. Weekly is getting into a 9 next week. Very nice 9 here on the top to go short. I mean, there was a 9, yeah. Okay, yeah, but Google is looking bullish. I mean, trend is not too parabolic as Tesla. Tesla is just going complete nuts and basically leading the whole stock market with its parabolic uptrend. Yeah, so very bullish pattern, similar to the stock market, not too parabolic, but still a bit overextended. Weekly RSI, I mean, it's not overbought anymore, really. It's getting into its territory, but yeah, this could go on for many weeks and months. Yeah, I mean, its price is going up, so I think it wouldn't be too wise to not be bullish from a practical perspective. Of course, long term there are corrections coming. I mean, yeah, just take a look at Apple. Okay, yeah, of course, Apple was what was a stock which saw correction after it went pretty much nuts. I mean, not too parabolic, but still very overbought and a bit overextended, and overextended on the RSI and in general. TI wasn't too useful. 9 still continued the uptrend on the weekly. Daily, I think, yeah, not maybe 9 here around the top area, but still not too useful. RSI isn't overbought anymore. We now had a short-term correction. I mean, this could already be the low for this correction. We didn't drop far beyond this higher low in the daily, so this has me looking rather bullish. That even though we broke this support, we basically rallied and didn't get too low. So that has me looking bullish in general on Apple. Yeah, Facebook also having a short-term correction. I mean, this of course these short rallies are very fast, and that is actually, or that shouldn't be too surprising to either a trader or to, well, basically cycles in general, because things break down much faster than they build. And you can maybe use a house, for example. It takes a longer time to build it, of course, and to find its structure, but well, destroying it via the explosives, for example, goes rather rapidly. So yeah, this also, of course, is then playing out in markets, because markets move in cycles and things generally move in cycles. So maybe we can draw some sort of trend line. I mean, yeah, it's actually working very nice. Okay, so maybe this will be important in the future as well. Maybe this is now the bottom for this short rally on Apple until we see continuation. This also is or this also was support in the past, or resistance in the past, and maybe now could become support. We didn't get far too beyond this high, so this could be concerning in some way. But yeah, I think that's it. I'll finish up. Hope you. I mean, Bitcoin isn't doing much, so yeah, I see you guys. Yeah, I think I'll finish up here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Yeah, see you guys and girls, you people, back next time. Bye.